Nowadays, design seeks new opportunities for the development of new products that allow innovating, creating, and impacting those people who want to supply a need. For this, it's necessary to complement the engineering that allows the designer to take into account dimension of the products, user anthropometry, man and woman, the materials that can be used, their deteriorations, the product's useful life, cost, as well as that a better process is sought where the reduction time in manufacturing can be evidenced, with a greater profit and clearly developed quality products. These are some of the things that complement a design engineer, since we analyze all the necessary points to design, create and produce great products that make a difference. This work seeks to analyze the design process of a company in our city, choose a line of their products, and make a redesign based on a list of requirements exposed by our potential users who were interviewed. Based on this, our company to analyze will be Muma. Muma is a multilatin company in Colombia that provides solutions to companies creating office spaces, universities, hospitality, among others, through furniture ecosystems using friendly, responsible process. For them, it's very important providing the user with facility to fulfill their daily activities in a more comfortable way that help creativity and productivity of work in unique spaces.
Muma has 4 product lines. The first one is corporate line, directed to centralized work. The second one is educational line, directed to higher and basic education. The third one is Oreca hospitality line, directed to shopping malls, hotels, restaurants, and franchises. The last one is Health hospitality line, directed to clinics and hospitals.
Their fabrication process has 5 phases. In the conceptual design phase, they make brainstorming, mood boards inspired by architecture, design spaces, other furniture, among others, that help them to create a design for the final product. In the prefactibility phase, they go to the plant to the advice with the plant operator, showing the design and looking of the viability of the manufacturing process. In case the previously proposed design isn't possible, the design group must redesign for what's spoken at the plant until the design is approved. In the factibility phase, prototypes are made to perform the respective analysis of material strength effort, evaluation of the product useful life, dimension, among others. After that, in the developing phase, when the producer is already defined and all the necessary tests are carried out, mass production begins. Quantitative requests by the client. In the last phase, stabilization in order to know the budget destined for the production, we talk to those in charge of managing the money in the company, and from this, we buy necessary materials.
Some of the national and international Muma Competitors are Knoll International Company. It's a constellation of brands and people driven by design, working together with our client to create inspired modern interiors. Herman Miller is an American company that produces furniture and office equipment as well as modern furniture for the home. Humanscape International Company is a leader in office ergonomics manufactures products that allow workstations to adapt to the user and not the other way around. And Scamford is a Colombian company of Swedish origin leader in the furniture sector with more than 55 years of experience.
Regarding the participation of the different areas, Muma considered that 90% of the responsibility for the success of any of these products is in the initial phases, since these phases allow changes to be made more quickly without affecting the budget. Due to this, analysis, reviews, and tests are constantly carried out on the proposals and prototypes until we reach a product that meets all the requirements and that provides the user with safety, quality, and comfort. One of the problems we find is that the marketing department doesn't have much participation in the process of designing a product, and some of the reasons are its recent creation and the changing and personalized nature of the furniture. The participation of the marketing department in the earliest phases of the process is vital to consolidate an intelligent solution among the different actors that converge in the design of spaces, such as the vision of the client, the architecture of the space, and the function of the specifiers, providing information about the operation, components, and characteristics of the different equipment or products to carry out the project. One of the improvements that is proposed for the process is the completion of the brief, an observation of the context by the design and marketing area to better understand the needs of the client and the performance of users in different contexts.
Muma proposed a sequential approach. In some part of the process, they allow the propositive participation of other areas such as marketing, productions, and even appreciations and suggestions at the technical level of operator in the prototyping workshop. The corporate and hospitality universe are the lines that generate the most income for the company. Since these sectors are those that most require modification to the lines normally offered in the catalog. The main reasons is the personalized and changing nature of the furniture and the guild of architecture. The above leads to think that the company Muma is modified its value proposition to take advantage of the constant change in the market and new trend in other products that are in constant interaction with the furniture. Therefore, the participation of marketing area could have a convenient opportunity for the creation of strategies that active the participation of Muma in other markets.
From the interviews and the focus group, a list of requirements was drawn up according to the criteria mentioned by the users to carry out the development of our design proposal. These requirements are that is very padded, that was adjustable elements, that allows me to move easily, have a reclining back, have connection and lighting, that has materials with little thermal conduction.